Hi guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, February 20 to 22, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Dana College Foundation, Typhoon Preparedness Center. Let's begin with our update. Here's the graph set that we created for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have the low pressure area after passing close to Bicol region and Eastern Visayas yesterday, and it's now over the coastal waters of Isabela, but as we speak, it's now moving away from the eastern coastal waters of Cagayan, and it's starting to rapidly dissipate because of the intrusion of the cold air from the northeast monsoon. And the chances of becoming a tropical depression has been downgraded to low, or less than 35%. So this is no longer expected to become a tropical cyclone or a tropical depression. And within the next 24 hours or 48 hours, it will eventually be absorbed into this frontal system. And it will accelerate more towards the northeast. Okay, so that's the life of LPA 99W not becoming a tropical cyclone, and that's good news for us. But it dumped heavy rainfall across Eastern Visayas and Bicol region during the weekend. 50 up to 150 millimeters were recorded across various weather stations in Bicol region and Eastern Visayas. Meanwhile, across the northern and central sections of Luzon, we have the cold surge of the northeast monsoon, so expect chilly conditions and moderate strong winds of 30 to 50 or 60 kph if you are living along the coastal waters of northern and central Luzon. And this will just prevail for the next 24 to 48 hours, and it will start to weaken. Here's the fast animation. As you can see, the departing mid-level circulation of LPA 99W, whereas the Philippine Islands will start to have some improvement of the weather within the next 12 to 24 hours. So by tomorrow morning, Tuesday, we expect some improving weather across Bicol region. And here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. As you can see, decreasing cloudiness can be observed across the areas departed by LPA 99W. It's now here, moving away. The mid-level clouds has been somewhat displaced to the northeast because of strong upper-level winds. And there are still some low-level to mid-level clouds affecting Bicol, so expect cloudy morning, but eventually the sun will shine in during the daytime. Okay, so expect that, and it will continue through Wednesday. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days. By tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon, we expect a slight surge of the northeast monsoon to reach the northern coastal waters of the Bicol region, while northern Luzon, Batanes will continue to have winds of 30 to 60 kph, and the remnants of LPA 99W will be absorbed into the frontal system, and on Wednesday it will be absorbed into this developing frontal system. And on Thursday, that frontal system will start to weaken as it moves slowly towards the northeast, and weakening winds from the northeast monsoon will be expected across Luzon, while various areas of Mindanao will have variable winds, and Visayas light northerly winds will be expected. Friday, February 24, there you go, the frontal system carrying the remnants of 99W moving away. And Saturday, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon moving down across Luzon and into the Bicol region. That will be on Saturday, February 25 until Monday, February 27. So Sunday, we could have another rainy or windy conditions because of the possibility of another shear line alongside with the northeast monsoon. So that will be on Saturday to Monday. So that's the wind forecast. On the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Thursday, we expect decreasing rainfall activity all across the country except for Mindanao. Some local thunderstorms will be expected, and Eastern Visayas as well. Bicol region, just isolated rain showers and thunderstorms becoming more widespread here because of the northeast monsoon. Okay, so to the evening, Monday evening, we expect some light showers to prevail over the Bicol region because of the cloudiness left behind by LPA 99W. As you can see here at the zoom in satellite animation, these are low-level rainfall conditions, low-level clouds which generate some showers. So we expect that to occur through the evening on and off, and then by tomorrow we could be seeing some sunshine, but there is still some showers in between those clear skies. Okay, and if we take a look at the rain forecast on Tuesday afternoon, so Bicol region will have some improvement of the weather, as well as on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then on Saturday morning, we have another developing frontal system that will affect Samar and Bicol provinces, and that will persist through Sunday as it coincides with the approach of the northeast monsoon. Okay, so another rainfall days are up ahead, beginning Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Okay, here's the shear line affecting Bicol region again on Monday and Tuesday. Improving weather or decreasing cloudiness will be expected on March 1. Still, there are some showers expected along the eastern sections of the country. So there you go. That's the latest for this Monday evening, and we'll return in the next couple of days. This is Mike Padua saying good night and stay safe always. Thank you so much for watching our channel.